How to use output styles in Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can use different preset output styles for your Claude. So if you wish to have some specific output styles for your Claude, then Claude itself gives you some pre-configured output styles that you can navigate and try to explore. So let me show you what are those styles. So as you can see here is my chat window, and if I click onto this plus option, I can see at the very last I have this use styles. So currently Claude has some preset use styles, or if you wish we can also add our own style. So these are normal, learning, concise, explanatory and formal. So in a learning mode, it also asks you questions and thus enables a learning module for both. In a concise response, it will provide you only the asked questions, and if you prefer Claude not to clutter up the information and only provide you what's asked, then you can choose the concise option. Explanatory is more on the explanation side, so it will might cover more of the case studies as well, and it will give you more explanation and detailed responses. Then this is a formal response, which is usually preferred if you are getting a lot of office content written from Claude, then you can use this particular writing style. Apart from that, you can create your own edit styles. So from here you can create the styles and also edit them. So for example, you can create your own custom style by clicking here, and from here you can either add any writing example or you can simply describe style instead. So if you will click here, you have this questionnaire which says generate style from a starting point. So you can either define style objective, then tailor to an audience, or if you want to use specific voice and tone, if you want to describe generality, or use any custom instruction as you prefer. So with these things it makes your writing more easily, especially if you are trying to follow out to your client or maybe other colleagues in a more professional tone. So these are some of the things that are Claude especially gives. So make sure to check them out, and thanks for watching and have a nice day.